the quality standards, minimum standards. If you want to run by open and distance learning mode, we want to run by conventional mode, we don't have. Medical education, MBBS, rather no, you have a medical council. Engineering and technical education, you have AICT, no, controlling, maintaining standards. Teacher education, B.Ed, M.Ed, you have National Council of Teacher Education. LLB, law education, legal education, you have Bar Council of India. They control standards. We in library information science, we need a national accreditation to ensure quality. The another thing is we are talking about internationalization of education or internationalization of higher education. When you say internationalization of higher education, that means how our education, educational degrees, educational standards are par with international standards. You say, no, I am MLBC, first class, gold medal, I have NET, JRF, I got PhD, but the American people will not give you a job. Not even a library attendant or assistant job. Why? Why? You say, I'll go to America, I have so much of strong point. No. You have to do our course. Our MS course in library information science. Your PhD degree, master degree, library science should be recognized by ALA, American Library Association. They will not recognize because our education is different. The moment I will ask you, you have done your MLIS. Okay. Your MLIS is how much degree credit? I don't know. Nobody has told me what is credit. Now today Government of India, majority is emphasizing on credit system and choice-based credit system. The moment I will ask you BLIS, immediately you go to foreign country, they will ask you, your BLIS is how much credit? I don't know, my teacher, my department, nobody has told me how much credit. MLIS, 1 year course, how much credit it is? MPhil is how much credit? Your PhD is how much credit? Therefore, like no, you measure any other thing, every course is measured in terms of credit. So credit is the number of study hours, teaching hours, that a student like you is expected to put into use for completion of a particular program or course. Your MLIS is a 2 years course. In a 2 years course, how many study hours, teaching hours that a student need for completion of that particular program? Maybe one credit is 30 hours, 32 is 960 hours, 960 and 960 maybe 1020 study hours that you need. That is what is credit. So therefore you may say that my MLIS program of 2 years is 64 credit, 32, 64 credit. It may be 70, it may be 75, different universities. Now there need to be a standardization in India that how much credit an MLIS should be. Choice-based credit system, if your university has already adopted or if they are not adopted, very soon they will be adopting, that the student has a choice. What course I should opt? There are some courses which are compulsory for library and information science master students. There are some courses, we say two open electives, OE electives or open electives. These are optional. I mean, students are given a choice. For example, Information Technology Department, you have a Computer Science Information Technology Department here. In one semester, they are teaching a course on internet security or on internet. Library Information Science students are very much interested to join that course. You go there, you study there for one semester. At the end of the semester, your credit, 2 credit, it will be transferred to the parent department. Parent department is Library and Information. There is another department, maybe statistics. The statistics department is offering a course, a course on SPSS, software for social science software or something like statistical application, data analysis. And you are interested in that particular course. You join there. That is what is mobility. Your students are, running from one department to another department. Department does not need a teacher because the teacher is already available in the statistics department, in computer science department. You don't have to get that teacher. The students can go to the other department. He can spend one semester there. The university will announce which day is the OE class, open elective class. The university will announce which day it is OE examination. That is why specialization. That in students are going to be Another department, political science or some other department is teaching something on copyright and IPR. Yes, I am interested in copyright and to know something. What is copyright and IPR? Go there, join there, complete your course, that credit will be transferred to the parent department. It is called within the institution. Within the institution. This can be done among the university also. In Haryana, maybe 5 universities. In 5 universities, you will make an agreement, understanding, agreement, that among the 5 universities of Haryana will have choice-based credit system. One university can go to another university. Again, that depends upon the arrangement and the agreement they have. So that is part of internationalization of higher education. Internationalization, choice-based credit system, student mobility, credit transfer. These are all the part of, that is what the government is emphasizing on CBCS. Academic management and technical issues like need-based curriculum, as I have told many times, scientific management skills associated, management of new technology, sophisticated technology. Today you need to develop your personality, communication. You know everything but unable to communicate. You go to an interview, you know everything but unable to communicate. That is what your personality, your communication skills. Go to BITS Council, American Center, see their communication skills, how do they deal with the public. It's already time or what?
Yes,
I have 5-7 minutes. Okay. So see, they don't have any, they don't want your gold medal certificate. No. Very commanding, appealing, convincing communication skills. Whether BLE first class, MLE first class, they don't need anything. So technology, competence to handle sophisticated technology. Today your technology, converging technology is very, very sophisticated today. How do you handle these things? And also equally aware of the legal issues. Balancing education, this is practice. Just now I told you. Need for a national accrediting agency. Just now I told you international higher education, that is a curriculum, syllabus, how you can make your workforce compatible to national and global job market, and challenges we alliance educators, competent faculty, instructional technology support, both print and electronic resources, continuing education programs, refresher course, seminars, conference, wherever you have time. You are very close to Delhi. Never, don't forget, no. दिल्ली जाएंगे इतने पैसा खर्च होगा कौन देगा no if you want to learn there is no end for that. Be exposed to the new developments, new things. System of continuous simulation, that is why you have this test assignments C1 C2. When CBCS will be there are many 9:30 to 5:30, no rest for teachers and students. Every paper has C1 C2 C3 C1 C2 C3, so much of test assignment tutorial practical. Need-based curriculum, what the market demands, adopting choice-based credit system, specialization, and learning pedagogy, teaching methods, teaching environments, competent faculty, creative innovation. A teacher, how a teacher is different from other teachers. Whatever the note he has written 10 years, 15 years, as today also the same. The note never gets changed because the things are changing very fast. How a teacher can make the up-to-date live. Instructional technology system, whatever I teach in the class, I am talking about internet today. The next afternoon is, I will show you the internet, practical applications. Whether it is a programming language, it is a database system, whatever may